Alright, so we're back again with another video, the third and final video on the day. And today, what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the Ritz Gear mini tripod. Alright? Now, if you guys and gals are wondering, that look awfully similar to the Manfrotto tripod that you have, and you would be right. And if you're wondering, why you picking up another one? Well, y'all can already see here, if I tilt this down, this is my BOYA microphone, and this is my octomount dual mount setup here. And I want to put my BOYA microphone right here, head to head against my Movo microphone and my RetiCAM camera mount and my Fantaseal grip. And in particular, this bad boy is going to be using the S8 right there, as y'all can see, to record that footage. Whereas when I use the BOYA, we're going to be using the Google Pixel XL to record that footage and audio. So I want to put these two rigs head to head. But in order to do so, I figured I needed another small mini tripod, because I didn't want to have a small version here with the Manfrotto and then have to use the big version that I'm using now to compare the two. So I figured if I had two small portable mini tripods, then I could really test these two portable rigs. So that was my whole thought process behind picking up this other mini tripod. So without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy and then put everything together and see how it looks all together. So as I said before, this is my unboxing and first impressions of the Ritz Gear mini tripod. So as y'all can see on the back here, we just got some basic information. So this tripod is used for cameras, smartphone rigs, DSLRs, camcorders, so on and so forth. And as y'all can see, got the specifications, so the height and weight and all that good stuff there. And all the features to it right there. And then here's the tripod right here. Now, talking about this packaging, I have to say I really like it. There's no muss, no fuss when getting into this. Now, the plastic front here was held down by one staple. So all I really have to do to get in this is just fold this back. And then we're in business. So, real simple. No fighting around with plastic. No needing to use an unboxing knife, and we're in here. So as you can see, this looks awfully similar to the Manfrotto. So we got a swiveling ball head here with a, I think this is a regular thread here, so I can mount up my tripods and my grips and my my other mounts. And then we got the spinny wheel here, so I can loosen it, move it around, and then lock it into place. So that's a little bit different than my Manfrotto, because the Manfrotto, you have a button here. So let me see if I bring this in the frame. So I would push the button, put it where I want it to be, and then let the button go, and it doesn't move. So that's a little bit of a difference between the two. Other than that would be the price, but we're going to talk about the price when we do the full review of this mini tripod here. Alright? Also, when we do the versus/comparison video between the two portable rig setups and the microphone, then y'all get an in-depth look at the price of all of this all put together. But first impressions, I have to say the tripod is really light. Let me clear off the table because this is getting on my nerves a little bit. Now, back at it. I have to say the tripod feels very light, very solid construction. I really do like the company branding right there. That's a nice touch. And similar to the Manfrotto, fully adjustable legs here. Alright, so good stuff there. Now, I do notice that it's not as solid. Kind of slides around a lot. But we'll see, because right now it's not under any weight. So it could be sliding around because it's not under any weight, Whereas this one, the mic is on it, and the mic actually has a little bit of weight on it, so that could be why this one's a little harder to move around. But you do have little rubber grips on the bottom. All right, really nice construction. Anyways, now, let's see how fast it takes me to put all of this together. So let me move this a little closer. Come with me, y'all. Let's move a little closer here. And now I'm gonna see how fast it would take me to put this all together. So y'all see my S8 there. And I'll go ahead and put up the official time after I'm done. But on your marks, get set, go. Grab the phone. Got the RetiCAM camera mount, Fantaseal grip. Put this in. Lock that down. Make sure it's nice and snug so it don't slide around here. Then let's grab the Ritz gear. Line up this thread. And let's put it on. And what's really nice about the Ritz gear is you have a ball. You could spin it to lock it in, or you could just spin the whole tripod to lock it in and then tighten everything up here. All right, let me tighten this up so this doesn't move. All right, and then lastly, let's plug in the Movo microphone. And we're in business. So, that took, yeah, you guys let me know how long that took down below in the comments. But here we go. And it actually folds out flat there, so that's how that would look. And then I could still angle it up. So that's not bad. Now it's still moving around a lot. Now I think that might be just because of the texture of my desk here. But as y'all can see, let me pan up, give y'all a nice tilt down here so you can see how it looks. That looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Now I probably have to put like a mat down to add some extra grip, because I do notice that it's still kind of slippery. Now it's firmer, but it's not as firm as I would like. But overall, I have to say I like that look. So this will be recording setup number 2. And what's nice about this is if I go on a trip and I want to record some footage, then I could just grab one of these 2 setups, drop it in my backpack, drop it in my duffel bag, a few changes of clothes, and we're gone. So this portable setup, these 2 versus portable setups that I'm getting ready to do versus on, these would be ideal for if you're going to something like trade shows, or you just want to run and gun and do some mobile vlogging. But yeah, that was, again, a little bit more of a backstory behind why I picked this bad boy up. Anyways, that pretty much does it for my unboxing and first impressions of the Ritz Gear Mini Tripod. Now, this review should probably take me about a week to do, because I'm pretty efficient with these mini tripods by now. This makes my 3rd one. So my Mini D is over there off camera. Then y'all saw the Manfrotto already, which is what we're going to compare this bad boy to. And then I got this one. And I use the Manfrotto regularly, so I'm really getting ready to put this bad boy through its paces, especially with this setup. This is going to be nice. Anywho, I'm going to just stand it up to close the video out, because I don't feel like taking it down. Anywho, if you guys and gals enjoyed the video, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. Let's get the label in here. Bam, that looks tight. If you guys and gals enjoyed the video, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much, okay? If you guys and gals want to see more content like this, please feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it, so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. That being said, if this video piqued your interest and you're interested in where you could pick up this portable camera gear for yourself, device, microphone, smartphone mounts, and the mini Ritz gear tripod. All the links to that stuff will be available down below in the video description. So interest is peaked, down below in the video description should be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Also, this whole video was recorded using the 12 megapixel rear-facing cameras on the Google Pixel XL with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality as well. And I do want to apologize because, as I said, I am still sick, so I don't know if I'll drop these 3 videos today or if they may be another day. So if y'all see a gap in between the video drops and you're wondering, why you sound like trash, it's because your boy is real sick right now. But as stuff comes in, we hit record, so no matter how bad we feel, the show must go on. So it is what it is. That being said, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. I'm so pumped to check this out right now. Now I got 2 portable rigs that I can use for whatever I want. Whew, I couldn't be more excited. That hurt. All right, I'm out. Peace.
Perfect.